of the Dish on Oz, and today is all about burgers. Alex is the queen of crafting the best burger, and her secret weapon, she swears it's bathing the beef in a silky cheese sauce for some more fun between buns.
Oh, yeah.
She said that. All right, Alex, why do you think cheese can either make or break the perfect burger?
You know, people that say to me, I just want a hamburger, I just want ketchup, no bun, and a pickle, they're not to be trusted.
Ooh.
They're not friends.
People?
That's the future enemy at hand. You need some cheese with your burger. You just do. It's balancing. You know, it's a balancing act in life. You know what I mean?
So what makes the perfect cheese sauce?
All right, so I was thinking, you know, I love 2 slices of American cheese, crisscrossed over, melty. I love that. Sometimes you want something different. A simple cheese sauce. You can make this ahead. I love this sizzling.
I know, I hear that.
It's like hard to talk. Okay. So this is just a simple cheese sauce. You could make it with a roux. I went simpler. Just some cream simmering with some grainy mustard for thickness.
Wants to be eaten.
He's like, please pay attention to me. I love it. Look at you.
So just cream in here so far.
Yeah, cream, a little grainy mustard, a little paprika. You're gonna put a dash of hot sauce and a dash of Worcestershire. Not enough that you really feel salt and heat. Oh my God, I love it. Give the pregnant woman the hot sauce and look what happened.
And a little Worcestershire sauce.
I love Worcestershire sauce. And then just simmer that cream a little bit and then just start whisking in all that cheese. That's actually what gives it the body.
This is
and
cheddar?
then when you build your burger, then you just pour the cheese sauce like a cascading waterfall over your burger.
Oh my.
Right?
Are you going into surgery? What are those going
I am scrubbing in, Doc, okay? I am scrubbing into the waiting room of my world, which is ground beef. You know, the thing about making a burger is that meat can get overworked the way cake batter can, the way flour can. When you overwork cake batter or bread dough, the flour gets tough and chewy. So just gently spread it. Notice how I've pushed it up around the sides? That way I can season more surface area and just season it once, and the seasoning really gets in there, right? Just gently mix it together. Don't overwork it. I mean, you really don't want to let the meat and the salt sit together. When you brine meat, right? Brine a turkey or a chicken. I love how he gets involved.
He's a good griller.
This is my specialty. I'm rescuing these burgers.
Thank you. When you brine a chicken, right, it changes the texture.
Exactly.
You don't want salt to sit on beef. Thank you, Doc. I'm glad you scrubbed in with us. All right. So once you form your burgers, right, then you want to put a little dimple in the center. That flattens the burger out as it cooks, so it sears more evenly. And we like that.
All right, so now you got your burgers there, dimpled as they are.
Dimpled as they are, they're dimpling away, they're cooking. And now we're going to
good stuff.
And now, I mean, it's time really to...
Is it time to eat?
I think it's
We
time
have your
to
prepared
eat.
buns over there.
Yeah.
So over here...
Now what happens? Let's build this burger.
Yeah,
Get
so...
some cheese sauce on there.
These are... Yes.
Okay, so here's the question. Cheese sauce on the bun?
I like to char the bun, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna say, let's put the burger on there. That's why I wore gloves, you know, I don't wanna. Burger, I feel. Some onions on the other side.
Okay.
Right? These are just charred with a little bit of vinegar. Need a little acidity, and not too heavy, Doc. Right?
Okay.
Not breaded
Finally.
or anything.
It was bound to happen.
There's no onion rings or anything, so that's good.
Let me pour it, let me pour it.
You can, go, go.
Okay,
Right over the beef.
Over
Go,
the
go,
beef?
go.
Pour it slow, pour it slow.
Oh.
Yes. Oh.
I have some thin...
Sorry, y'all. X-rated dish today.